Hello team, good morning everyone. My name is Venkat. Today we are going to discuss about hardware inventory. Actually, I had a plan to continue the Office 365 series, but I just want to add this one before I go with the Office 365. Actually, I have received a few requests from my WhatsApp groups and all that just explain about hardware inventory and software inventory concepts, how it really works in the background. So I would like to take a chance to explain this one today. Let's start the session. Okay, as we already know that this is one of our daily job that we always need to do the hardware inventory and software inventory and compliance, all these things, which is really important for us. And you know that client means our customer is always look for the numbers that he always want to all his machines are compliant properly. So we always get wonder that why it is not working, or where to check, what to check. We always sometimes especially those who are really new into the SCCM, they always get these type of questions. So to help them, I would like to give a startup like what to check, where to check, and how exactly it works, and what we can do. Means additionally what we can do, I will try to explain as much as I can. Let's start the session. Okay, great. Okay, this is for my Office 365 client device selection, client settings. First, let me explain how it really works before I go jump into the SCCM console and blah 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 blah. Just let me explain what exactly happened. Okay, actually, let's say this is your primary server and this is your client. Okay, so what exactly required is, like, as you are an admin of SCCM, you will open the console and you will get the data, try to pull the data from your client machines. So what exactly required, what will happen? It's a simple thing to understand, that for sure this server or this SCCM console try to get the information. That means it will hit to your client machine, and then it will hit back to, and your client machine will give you the information back to your SCCM console. For sure this will happen, right? So how it really happens, right? This is what our question. Hope you understand. Let me explain one more time. You will hit a job, that means you will try to pull the report. You try to fetch the information, that what is the hardware installed, or what are the hardwares, or everything information is there you want to get from your client machine, right? So what you will do is you try to get the information from your SCCM console. So what SCCM will do is it will send a job to your client to get the data, and your client machine will gather the all information using SCCM client agent. It will send back to the your SCCM console. Simple words are your SCCM to your report, and you can see in the report. That's what exactly happened. So the question is that how this client machine is sending to your primary site, and where to check. That is what our question now. Okay, where to check, first point. Okay, first let's say when it comes to the client, first of all, in your primary server or your client settings, first of all your hardware inventory must be enabled. So once it is enabled, it will create WMI classes on your client for the hardware inventory. Okay, whatever the WMI classes you enable in your client settings for hardware inventory, okay, all the classes will gather the information from your client, and it will send to your SCCM. That's how it exactly happens. Okay, so while it is gathering, where you can check in Inventory.log. okay, in the CCM folder. If you go to CCM folder, you can check in Inventory.log, and another log is that, which is CCM messaging. CCMmessaging.log, the purpose of this one is, the purpose of CCM messaging is sending the data to management point. Okay, we have discussed it two from client side. One is Inventory.log, okay, and another was CCMmessaging.log. okay, this is from client side. Okay, if you check these two logs, and from here MP side, you can check under MP underscore, what is this log? Hardware inventory, HANV. okay, hardware inventory.log, you can check it. Okay, let me check the spelling mistakes. I don't know, sorry, nowadays because of this auto intelligence, we are forgetting all spellings also. I hope this is not the mistake. Okay, if you check this one, so inventory, this inventory.log, what it will do is, as per the job that it sent from the SCCM primary to the client, means via using the WQL query, which is Windows query language, using Windows query language, it will hit to your WMI classes, and it will fetch the information here using WMI classes, and it will make a XML report. Once the XML report is created, then it will send to your management point. Okay, so that means you can see the XML file will come to here in the hardware inventory.log, and it will upload into the your database. That's how it works exactly. Okay, hope this is very clear. Okay, let's get into the topic again. Let me check this one. Actually, this is I already enabled, because I don't want to create too much of lengthy videos. I want to make it as much as short. Okay, see here, when you go to general, I enable the hardware inventory. Good boy. Okay, click on hardware inventory, and see, it's already enabled, and it's scheduled within 3 minutes. Of course, I purposely set it, okay, every 3 minutes, because I want to see it how it works. If you don't want like that, you can put one hour, not a problem. Okay, and maximum delay is 240 minutes. If I put 240 minutes, if I set 1 hour, it doesn't make sense for me. Okay, now click set classes. See, all these are the WMI classes on your client machine. Okay, means what are the available WMI classes. So whatever the selected, all this information you can see from your hardware information. From if you go to the client, you can see that one. I will show that one also. Okay, just remember few concepts. What are the, if you remember correctly, I have enabled Office 365 last time during my Office 365 series. We purposely checked, sorry, what is this? Yeah, see, Office 365 plus configuration. Let's remember this one, Office 365 Pro plus configurations. Okay, and what are the things it's enabled? All these things. Okay, good boy. Okay, let's go to keep it this one here. Just remember this one. Sorry, Office 365, right? Yeah. Go to your collection, go to one of your computer which is already working fine. Okay, the another one is shut down. Start. Okay, Resource Explorer. Okay, click on hardware, because we are doing hardware inventory, right? Under Resource Explorer you can see all the hardware information, right? Depends on what exactly you enable. Just expand it. Make it big. Configuration manager, client SSLs configurations. Good. Okay, recently we have enabled Office 365 Pro Plus and Office 365 add-on. See, Office 365 Pro Plus configuration. So since here it is check mark, means it is enabled, we can see here. Click here. See, key name, installation path, client folder, version, everything is there. It all depends again. The same report that if you expand that, you can see all this, means what are the columns that you can see, what are the rows you can see. Okay, all these columns is enabled. That's the reason you are able to see. If you uncheck there something, for example client folder, then you can't see this one. Okay, so that's how it works. So you can see from here. Wait, I want to show something else. Clear, right? If you go to this one also, like your views, expand the database and expand the views, and you can see Office 365. Let's see, filter settings, contains Office. Right, should come. Okay, VGS Office 365, Office 365 Pro Plus configurations. See, for example, if you run this one, select top 1000 rows, since it is already enabled, it will give you the some information. If it is not enabled, it won't give any information. That's how it works. See, you got all information, where it is, client folder, all this. Okay, let's say let me check which is not enabled. So we can try to run that query and we can see it. Please, one more time, I'm just requesting to everyone that please don't run everything like this. Okay, this is a lab. I can do anything, even it is corrupted also I can rebuild it. So I will do all experiments. Before you get experience, don't do run in production environment, because this will trigger, for example, this inventory. For example, if just for testing purpose, if you enable it, it will give huge data. For me, I have only one computer, so it's not a problem if I enable all also. But if you enable this one, the same one in the production, it need to gather GBs of data actually from the clients altogether. So please make sure before you do something. This is just for information solely. Okay, later you don't blame me. Okay, what we can see, AppV client application, this is not enabled, right? AppV, CCM racks, or computer system product, what it is? Computer manager client ports. Good. Sorry, what happened to me? Configuration, still it is early morning 4 o'clock. Maybe I am sleepy. Configuration manager client ports. Okay, instant key, HTTPS port name. Okay, good. Let's see, this one is not enabled, right? So let's try to get the computer system product. CCM recently used apps. Okay, good. AppV client, I think we saw just now. Okay, AppV client application. Good. Okay, AppV client is not there, right? So let's run this one. What will happen, we'll see. Select of 1000, see, empty, right? That means since here you didn't enable this one, so that is the reason the view is also not showing anything. If you enable it, okay, and click OK, and then run, sorry, this is not this one, right? If you click it and then run it again, then if there is any applications installed, then it will get it. Okay, that's how it works. And what else we can, desktop. Okay, this is one more, border width, caption, blah 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 blah, screensaver, setting ID, wallpaper, stretched. Okay, let me enable this one. And what else we can, environment, username, caption, description, install date, status, system variables, variable values, better not. Means I'm just afraid because again my CPU will hit 100%. Good. Okay, I think this is enough. Let's add this one. One is desktop, I enable all, it's okay, and this one also good. Okay, before I enable and click OK, okay, I want to show something else, that from client side and management side. Okay, let me explain this theory again. Okay, go to your Windows 10 machine. Okay, see here, if you clearly notice, since it is hardware inventory, we need to check for 001. Oh, sorry, this is CCM messaging. This should not be like this. Okay, 001. So if it is 001, it is like hardware inventory, 02 is a software inventory. Okay, all this one. So means that means using this one, the WMI class will hit, it will keep trigger again. So that means it will send the job, it will again ask to check what are the latest information. If there is any latest information, then it will add the additional information to the existing one. That is called delta information, you know, right? Okay, action is hardware, yeah, report type is data, major version is 1, minor version is 113. So that means how many times it runs. Okay, and initialization completed within 34 seconds. Good. And if you see here, collection namespace, it's hitting to your root, CMV2 and SMS. Okay, and the WQL query is this one, select underscore class path, blah 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 blah. Okay, see, power management, all this, availability, health status, description, manufacturer. If you disable that one there, then this it won't hit this class. That's all. Once it is completing, okay, it's running, keep running. Good, it's completed here. See, okay, it's completed, and it send the report also. Send to report where, and remember this one, 3AA2. Okay, it's sent to MP underscore hardware endpoint. Okay, destination point successfully sent. Good. And you can see the XML file also here, CCM inventory temp. So it's created a XML file, and if you go to your, what is this, CCM messaging, Okay, and if you see, where is this? Okay, simple job is you just try to find this one. I think this is already filled. CCM messaging. You can see like this, the same code, like, let me check, A2 33A2. Okay, 33A2, and XML file is FAD4. Good. A2. It will tell you that okay, we successfully we sent the inventory. So this is the file, this is the log that you need to check that it successfully sent to MP or not. If you come to management point, you can see the same also. See, like this delta report from client, which is the same our Windows 10. Action description is hardware. Good, and it sent the XML file. See, hardware inventory attachment. That's how it sent again 2 times, because I have set the 3 minutes, right? In the my client settings I have set 3 minutes, so that's the reason every 3 minutes it's keep running. Usually in production environment we will keep only 1 day, something like that. It depends. See, so all delta information is coming from here. Okay, let me run one more time. Now what happened, what we discussed is like where to check and what to check, right? So if we if I enable all these things, what will happen, we will see. Click OK. Click OK. Now go to your collection again. Let me close this one also. Refresh. Okay, go to assets, Office 365 machines. Now right click, come on, start. Okay, first client notification, just deploy it. Yeah, correct. Before I hit this one, let me open all the logs from here. So for this is my client. See, VRH 960 something CCM logs, CCM messaging. Hello, where are you? CCMmessaging.log, is it a fresh one? Yeah. Okay, good. Message below, transfer complete, succeeded, upload direction is this one. So okay, good. We will keep this one first. Please remember, this is the desktop one. Okay, and what else we need as per our information? Inventory agent, right? Double click inventory agent. Okay, inventory agent, it's already sent. Okay, good. Now whatever the information that we required, we already opened everything. Okay, from our MP side we have opened MP hardware inventory, which is hardware inventory endpoint. See the component. Okay, you can see the component hardware inventory. Okay, so the WMI classes will send the information to this component. That is what. And from client side we are using component CCM messaging and inventory agent component will use to fetch all the data. It will get the all inventories like your software or hardware, everything. Okay, and oh, it's already hit. Let's see how it works. Clearing old collected data, collected files. Because now we enabled so many things, so that's the reason it will take time to run. Let me, okay, just give me 2 minutes, so it will get all the information. So that means we will see once the job done, once it is collected. Remember the time. Okay, pause, sorry, come on, pause. Okay, it's already getting the, okay, see, it's all receiving the data. Good. It's very quickly it's sent. If you see this one, okay, 450 exactly. Okay, you just see, if I click, yeah, let me pause this, one also, or else again it will hit. Okay, see, it's collected all the data whatever recently we enabled, including that it's collected all the data, and then it created a XML file, and then it sent to MP hardware inventory endpoint. Okay, that is the successfully sent. Actually this line is enough that we can confirm that okay, this is already gone. Okay, but if you want to see here what exactly happened, 3810, okay, that is the CCM messaging we need to look for. 3810 CCM incoming. Successfully uploaded. Okay, this is not the same. This is hardware inventory 3810. But you can see here exactly 450 time it's already sent the information to your management point hardware inventory successfully requested. This is already collected remaining things, I guess. CCM incoming. Okay, good. Right. I want the latest one, 3810. Oh, this is in pause. No wonder. Let it complete first. Looks like it's stuck, but if you see these two logs, clearly it's showing this. Okay, and 453. Why every 3 minutes it's running? That is the reason I'm unable to trace. Okay, now meantime what we can do is, let's right click this, click start resource explorer, and see that the recently you have added few things, right? That are you able to see or not? See the desktop. See this desktop recently we have enabled, right? Click here, you can see everything. And also what else you enabled? Desktop. I think that is the most point we enable. Let me get the report. Are you able to see that or not? Execute. Nothing is there. Okay, try to get the desktop thing. This is the most easy one. Select top 1000 rows. Okay, see, last time when I tried to run this one, then it didn't show any information. Now yes, the reason is that you enable in the hardware inventory you enable the WMI classes. That's the reason you are able to see this one. Okay, hope this is helps you guys. And yeah, before I end this session, I would like to show something else. If you want to add something new one, you can go here to go to default client settings, go to your hardware inventory. Occurs every 5 minutes. Okay, clicks set classes and click add. Okay, so here now you are unable to see anything, but if you want to add something new, then what you need to do is you need to type the client machine, specific client machine, desktop. What is the machine name? Control C. Okay, connect. See, now whatever the additional classes are available under your root, okay, all class will come like this, all classes. Okay, if you want to add more than what configuration manager gave, then you can enable from here shadow storage or something else. If you want to add something SMS registry lookup entry, just I'm adding this one, click OK. Okay, then you can see SMS registry lookup entry. So what it will give us? Lookup entry, match, property name, registry key, registry root, registry value. Okay, I don't think that it is really useful, but if you want this one, you can add it and click OK. Then next time onwards it will collect this information also. Okay, that's how it really works. If you have any printers or you want to get any printer information, then you need to MI files, you need to collect this one. Okay, if you want a customization, then you need to select all these things. Okay, if you want both, you need to select these things. That's how the hardware inventory will work. The basic things are that which logs you need to check is I hope it is very clear to everyone that Inventory.log and CCM messaging. CCM messaging is nothing but confirmation that it's sending to the MP. Okay, once hardware inventory log collected the data, and it will send as a XML file to your MP hardware inventory. You can check that log from MP_ hardware inventory.log. Okay, and you can get this log under SMS_CCM folder. You can get this one, and you can see it like this, hardware. The description is hardware. Okay, and if you want to enable any new classes, you can enable new classes from here. You want to set any settings, and you want to add a specific, for the specific machine you want to add more classes, than what configuration manager provided, you can add it from here. And if you want to see resource explorer, if you want to see what the information from resource explorer, you can see from under collections like this. That's how it works. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Please encourage me so I can give more information, more. I will try to get more knowledge, and I will try to provide more knowledge to you as well. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and if I'm able to do another video, I will do on software inventory first. Okay, thank you very much.